Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. Magnetic tablet stands have revolutionized the way we interact with our tablets, offering unparalleled convenience and versatility. These stands utilize powerful magnets to securely hold your tablet in place, allowing for hands-free operation and optimal viewing angles. Whether you're working, watching movies, or following recipes in the kitchen, a magnetic tablet stand provides stability and ease of use. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best magnetic tablet stands on the market, each offering unique features and functionality to enhance your tablet experience. Number 5. Meaowxva iPad Magnetic Stand Magnetic Tablet Stand. The Meaowxva iPad Magnetic Tablet Stand is an innovative solution for anyone looking to enhance their tablet experience. With its strong magnetic design, this stand offers a secure and stable platform for your iPad, ensuring that it stays in place whether you're watching videos, typing emails, or browsing the web. One of the standout features of this stand is its magnetic adsorption capability. The magnets embedded within the stand provide a firm grip on your iPad, preventing it from slipping or sliding, even on smooth surfaces. This feature not only adds to the stability of the stand, but also makes it incredibly convenient to use. Simply attach your iPad to the stand and it instantly snaps into place, ready for use. Number 4. UGREEN LP689 Magnetic Tablet Stand. The first thing that struck me about this stand is its sleek and modern design. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it not only looks premium, but also feels sturdy. The magnetic feature adds to its appeal, providing a secure hold for my iPad Pro 12.9, iPad Air 10.9, or any other tablet within the compatible size range. Despite its compact size, the LP689 stand offers excellent stability. Thanks to its non-slip silicone pads and weighted base, I never have to worry about my tablet tipping over, even when using it on uneven surfaces. This stability is essential for me, especially when I'm multitasking or using my tablet for extended periods. Number 3. ARTPOWERS KD14 Magnetic Tablet Stand. First and foremost, the build quality of the KD14 stand is impressive. Constructed from durable metal, it feels sturdy and reliable, providing a stable base for my tablet. This reassurance is particularly important when using larger tablets like the iPad Pro, as it ensures that the stand can support the weight without any wobbling or instability. One of the standout features of the KD14 is its magnetic design. The magnets embedded within the stand securely hold my tablet in place, preventing any accidental slips or falls. This is especially handy when using the stand on a desk or table, as it gives me peace of mind knowing that my device is safely secured. Number 2. Hagibis IPC10 Magnetic Tablet Stand. First and foremost, the build quality of the IPC10 is impressive. Crafted from durable metal, it feels sturdy and capable of supporting various tablet sizes without any wobbling or instability. This reassured me that my valuable device would be held securely in place, whether I'm typing away on a document or simply enjoying multimedia content. One of the standout features of the IPC10 is its magnetic design. The magnets are strong and hold the tablet firmly in both landscape and portrait orientations. This not only provides flexibility in how I use my tablet, but also adds a sense of convenience. I no longer have to fuss with cumbersome clasps or brackets. Instead, I can effortlessly attach and detach my tablet with ease. Number 1. EOENKK C47 Magnetic Tablet Stand. The EOENKK C47 Magnetic Tablet Stand is a sleek and innovative accessory designed to enhance your tablet experience. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this stand exudes durability and modern aesthetics, making it an attractive addition to any workspace or living area. One of the standout features of the EOENKK C47 is its magnetic design, which offers unparalleled stability and convenience. Whether you're using your tablet for work, entertainment, or creative endeavors, you can trust that it will remain securely in place, thanks to the strong magnetic connection between the stand and your device. Thank you guys.